Guys, there's a whole ton of cars here. We're going to try and get as many as we can. There's just a whole bunch of stuff here. So I apologize if I passed something that you wanted to see. Seems to be a lot of red Chevelles. First generation Chevelles. '66 Chevelle, '68 Chevelle, '69 Chevelles. There's a really nice '69. It says it's a SS 396. '69 SS 396, 45,000, 229, 220, 6250, 6280. I don't know. You tell me. Oh, no problem. And then here's another Chevelle SS, or says it's an SS. '71. I think we already looked at this one. I'm gonna go check out this drag car over here. Nice 75 big block. 67 396 motor. Nice car. Check out this Maverick drag car. I always like looking at these drag cars, especially the older ones here. Caitlin Benz, 25,000, 904 403 4249. So this is a nice car. LA Racing Engines. In memory of Charles. Don't know who Charles is. So Caitlin Benz is driving. Eating Chevys, shitting Rams. Okay. There you go, 25K guys. Trailer and all race equipment. Let's go and I'm assuming this is yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm Sean with Junkyards and Barn Finds. We're a YouTube channel. I didn't know if you wanted to talk about what you're selling there. Okay, all right. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.